In front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 2, and let me show you how to set the gesture navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, here is our navigation bar, so we've got 3 signs, and if you would like to turn them all off, and if you would like to have the navigation bar which is without those icons, just open the settings at first, then find and select display. Here, scroll down, find and select system navigation, and as you can see here, you can change it. So you can activate gesture navigation, just click here, and now you can go to home by swiping up from the bottom on the screen. You can switch apps by swiping up from the bottom, also hold and then release, and also you can go back by swiping from either left or right edge. So this is how it works. You can slide up, you can slide, okay, so let me open something. You can slide right, like this, or slide left. Let me open something. To go to the previous sites. And this is it. Then if you'd like to change it again, just open the settings, which are here. Then pick display, scroll down, select system navigation, and this is it. Now you can have icon again. You can also tap on the settings icon to change it, so you can have the preferred option. And also, if you would like to personalize gesture navigation, just tap on the settings icon, and here you can activate higher sensitivity. So here you've got it, just like that. But I will leave the default one. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change system navigation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.